Hey class, so to wrap up, kind of going back to our homepage of how to link to the About page, our blogs and podcasts, and then kind of where we'll also upload our resumes. We're just going to go to the bottom of this page right here. We don't need the advertise like I mentioned earlier. I don't believe anyone's going to be advertising on their website, so we're just going to delete that. We're not going to have anyone else contribute to our blog, so we're going to delete that as well. And then all we need to do, delete there, is this is just a box. We are going to move this all the way on up over in here. Whoa, no, not hello. Leave that. There we go. And we're going to put it right in line with that, our blog. If we want, we can change, instead of read, we can put read and listen, edit, blog and podcasts, and then people can, we can change the text more here. Up to you, whatever you guys want to put there. But just want to show you guys kind of how you can edit it. And like I said, it's already linked. So if we want to link it, it's already linked to a page, our blogs and podcasts. So we are done. Same thing with the read more. It's already linked to our About page. We are done. Now, this is really high up. So what we can do is just stretch this here, give it a little bit more uniformity. And now this area is a little bit smaller. Not making this quite as big. So we should be able to change this picture. I have not messed with this though much at all. So there's frames. You can customize the design however you guys kind of want it. Make it a circle, nice and neat. And then I'm sure there's a way in which you can, obviously there it is, change the image. And if we want, I'm just going to do this image again because I've already used it. So now you can go to blog and podcast, and then if you want to change the box, edit the button, move where this is, change the color of it to wherever it's easier for everyone to click on, that would be best. So from here, now we're going to go to our About page, and this is actually where I want to put our resume. I'll click Navigate. Let's go to our About page. So here's the About Me. This is just a social bar. I'm going to drag this down. And what I actually want is to add a Microsoft Word document. So if we scroll down here, we have several different ways in which we can upload a Word doc. I'm going to click there. I'm going to drag it on over there. And I already have a sample document already uploaded, sample resume. Okay, you can upload a document right on over in here. But here's my sample resume. I'm going to add it to the page. Here's that document. And now we need to label what that is. So when we add, we're going to add text. And we can just put any type of heading that we would like. I'm just going to drag this on over in here. And we're going to click and type in resume. So on your About page is where I should find your resume when you go to upload that. And so now we know exactly what we're clicking, and you can format that however you want, as long as it's very clear as to what this Word document is. So now people can not only just know a little bit about you, but they can click on your resume and follow that link. So that is as simple as it gets when it comes to creating your guys' website. I want it to be as simple as possible. Like I said, this design, though it's a fashion website, you can see we changed it really quickly from that fashion website into your own personal website. It's completely free and allows a nice simple way in which you can upload, edit, and create things. So hopefully this is helpful, and looking forward to all your guys' blogs, podcasts, just things that you guys do with this website. It's going to be really neat.